In this video, I'm going to explain how to get the shiplap look I did on this TV stand. Thanks for watching. For this TV stand, the customer wanted a shiplap look, and we're achieving this by using the table saw, and the thickness of the blade is 1/4 inch or 1/4 inch. So I'm making cuts in the 3/4 inch plywood, as you can see on my table saw, and sanding the edges in between. Then I space out whatever thickness I wanted the actual shiplap type pieces to look like, and making cuts. So I'm not cutting all the way through the board, as you can see. I'm going about 1/4 inch deep into the 3/4 inch plywood. Some of them have the same look on both sides, on the inside of the TV stand. So doing this on every single piece, including the doors. Next step is to sand everything, getting those creases there because it started to splinter, and they're going to be using this obviously pretty frequently. So I want to make sure everything was smooth. Next hurdle I had was a really large piece, was the bottom piece. As you can see here, I'm using a little table next to my table saw since I didn't really have anyone to help and didn't want to make the lines crooked. So same exact technique as before. It's about 1/4 inch up. The blade is about 1/4 inch thick. So same exact technique as before, spacing out the shiplap the way I like it. And this is the end result. You can see it's on the outside and inside, as well as on the doors, and going for a weathered white, sort of an off-white look the customer wanted. Really happy with the way this project turned out, and so is the customer. It went together really nicely and saved me a ton of time versus a traditional nailing and gluing shiplap panel. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and God bless.